Ooh.
Hey guys.
So today's video is actually not a haul, so first off, be proud of me.
What?
Not gonna lie, today's video is a little bit embarrassing for me. I honestly did not think it was gonna be this bad. I asked you guys on Instagram if you'd rather see a brandy Melville collection or sneakers collection because a bunch of people were asking for a like trying on everything in my closet, and I was like,
guys, I swear if I do that, I will literally pass out.
because I did a hoodie collection, so I was like, I'll just do it in like categories to make it easier. And so I was like, I'll do a brandy Melville collection, but then I realized
My whole freaking closet is basically brandy Melville.
if I don't start now, this video is gonna be 30 minutes long. So this is everything that I own from brandy Melville. So we're gonna start with the smallest category, I think, which is like bottoms and pants and stuff. We'll start off with shorts. These are like summery shorts. I have 2 pairs of these. I have no clue what they're called. Flowy ruffle ones. They used to be very, very popular. Embarrassingly, I used to wear these in public, but now I just kind of wear them as sleep shorts. I have these denim shorts. I thrifted, but they're brandy Melville and they're just black and kind of high-waisted distressed. I have these 2 pairs of fabric shorts. I really love these. They're super comfy. They feel like pajamas, but they look kind of cute, boho-y. Next, I have some pants. I have these ones in white with blue stripes, and then I have like the inverted pair where it's black with white stripes. I love these because they're also very comfy. You can dress them up or down. Love that. Then I have a couple skirts. I have this one that's actually oh, just kidding. It's brandy. And it's like a corduroy mauve, and I thrifted this one. And then I also have this one, which is pretty new, and I got it for the fall season. I very much enjoy it. It's just this nice plaid color, and it's one of those little mini skirts that has the 2 little divot cuts. Kind of big on me, so it doesn't look that great, but you know, it's whatever.
It's whatever.
Then I have 2 pairs of sweats because brandy sweats are honestly the best. These are my fave pair of sweats ever, and I don't know if they sell them. I don't think they do anymore, but they just have the drawstring. They're so comfy. And then I have these ones, which are kind of like the new style. They don't have a drawstring, which kind of irritates me, but other than that, they're pretty much the same fit. Dark green color, which I think is a little
fun and unique.
And then it just says Seattle Athletics on it. Now we're going to go on to some tank tops. Most of these I haven't been wearing a bunch because it's kind of
Freaking cold out.
okay, well, I also have those flowy shorts in black. I forgot about those. Funny story, I got it at this like sketchy little rest stop in Lake Chelan, if you know where that is. That's kind of random, but tank tops. I have 2 tube tops. I have one in black and one in white. These are just great basics to have. Then I have this one, which is striped. This is probably one of my favorite tops. I just really like the colors, and it's like a straight cut across. Then I have this pink one. I have no clue what this is called, but it's like scrunched. I call it like a popcorn top. It's probably not what it's called, but yeah. It also has cute little bows on the back. Then I have this one, which I know used to be really trendy. I actually haven't worn it in a while, but it's very summer vibes. It just has the little, I have so much hair on my stuff. I'm sorry, that's disgusting. It has a little like lace up, and then it's crossed in the back. I also have this one, which is just a plain halter. This is one of my faves because you can just put a cute little lace bralette underneath it, and it looks really good. And I have this one, which is kind of new. It's just this light blue shade. It's literally inside out right now. And then it has a nice little lace trim. I have this one, which is just blue and white striped, very basic. And then I have this one, which is very old. You can tell it's very old brandy, like hipster phase brandy. It's just this nice floral. It's very freaking tiny, but it's like a flowy little crop top. What are they called? They're not sleeves. Straps on these are so long, so I have to tie them. And then I also have this white button-up one, which I wear all the time. It's super, super comfy. It's ribbed. It's just nice, plain little basic. I also have this one in black. No clue where it is right now, but you know, that's fine. I also have this one, which has pink little rose floral and some nice ruffles on it. Very, very springy and dainty. Now on to, we're gonna do dresses. So I have 3 Jada dresses. I thought I had more, so you know, we're not doing too bad. I have this one, which is black, and it has like rose detail on it, and it still has a tag on it. Interesting, because I've had this for a very long time, but you know, we're just not going to mention that. I have one in burgundy. This one used to be my absolute fave. I would wear it all the time. I still do, but I had this phase where I was crazy in love with burgundy. Now it's just it's there. And then this is one of my fave dresses ever. It's just white, creamish, and then it has these really pretty pink like cherry blossoms on it. Then I have this newer print one, which is like a slip dress, and then it has kind of like the crossed little front. I actually thrifted this one also, so it was pretty cheap, but I really like this one. And then the last one, this is kind of like a t-shirt dress. This is also very old hipster 2012 brandy, and I think this was my first brandy purchase, and I was very proud of it, but I never really wear it out because I kind of look stupid in it. I just wear it as like a sleep dress because it's so comfy. Just this huge, looks like a baseball tee, and then it has like black and white pinstripes. So soft. I remember they didn't have a brandy here for the longest time. When I'd go up to Canada to visit my grandma, I would make it a whole ordeal to go to brandy there, and it would be a whole day, and I would go to brandy, and it was the highlight of my year. That's a little bit embarrassing. So now on to like the hoodies and sweatshirts and kind of sweater thingies. First off, I have these two crew necks. So this one, it says Lani Kai. Really sad because I wanted to bring this when I went to Lani Kai like a month ago, but I thought that I lost it or got rid of it. Yeah, it's okay. It's a nice pale yellow. And then I also have this one that says Newport on it, and it's this nice like jade green, sage green, I don't know. And it also has like distressing on it, which kind of looks a little edgy, I guess. But these are very, very comfy, cozy, soft. Love them. Okay. Well, this is a little bit off. So I have 3 of these cropped hoodies. I actually know the name of these. They're called the Crystal hoodies. They're just like the perfect cropped zip-up hoodie. I'm in love with them. So I have one in black, one in gray, and then I also have one in white. And before you yell at me for that, they're my favorite. I wear them all the time, okay? They replace cardigans in my wardrobe. But honestly, if they have more colors, I probably might have to get some of those. So we're just gonna not talk about that anymore. Now I have the Seattle hoodie. Yeah, self-explanatory. Their hoodies are very, very thick and warm and comfy. I also have this zip up. I absolutely love this one. It's kind of freaking huge on me, but we all know, love zip ups. Kind of wish I had a pocket. It does not, but you know, it's fine. Then I have, ooh, in the same kind of ish shade of blue. This is like a jacket, like, I don't know what this material is, but it's like a nice zip up. I know they have this in a bunch of different colors, but I was really digging this blue. It's pretty warm. It's like a light jacket. I also have this cropped hoodie. I thrifted this one, but it's just a plain gray cropped hoodie. It's in pretty good condition. It's very thick and warm, but it's also like worn in, so it's comfy. And also, ignore the fact that I'm like chucking everything aggressively across the screen. It's because I don't have any more room on my bed. That's kind of sad. Then I have this sweater, which is a nice navy and green stripes. This gives me super like old school vibes. Then we're almost done. Oh my gosh, yeah. Not really, but we're almost done with this section. I have this long sleeve kind of crew neck-ish thing from Hawaii. It says North Shore. I really like the fit of it, concept of it, because it's like a crew neck, but then it's very light and airy and comfortable. And then I have this one, which is like crew neck, like a very thin crew neck material, I guess, and it's gray. And it's a nice little like half button up. It kind of looks like a Henley, but it's loose and cropped, kind of like rustic. It gives me camping vibes, if that helps out. Now we're on to the last section, also the biggest section, obviously. This is all of my like tops. I have this Colorado t-shirt. It was probably one of the most random purchases. I literally have no correlation to Colorado, but I just liked it, and I actually wear it a lot. I have this tie-dye little crop top that's just plain blue tie-dye. I have this wrap top. This one is very, very adorable. A lot of people have it though. It's like waffle-ish knit, and then it's a nice little tie wrap. There's a bunch of ways you can tie it, and it has a blue floral. I love that print. Then I have this, it's kind of off the shoulder, but it's just like a very comfy raw cut, I guess, and it's just a lavender purple. I was super into pastels, and I know Brandy had a bunch of pastels for a while. And I have this light pink one that has the nice little V cut in the front. I have this top. This is my favorite like shape of top. I have no clue what it's called, but it has the nice little lettuce trim around like all of the parts, and it's a rainbow, which is a little bit bright and colorful for me, but I have that same little shape top in this pink shade. I used to hate this shade of pink, but now I kind of like it, so that's that. I also have in blue, but I don't have it at the moment because I wore it for Halloween. I have this plain ribbed one. I thought this was gray, but apparently it's blue. I literally can't tell. It's just plain ribbed. I have this one that's like a waffle, not a waffle, but like waffle texture, I don't know. But it's like a V-neck and then it has the ruffle trim, but it's not tight fitting, it's kind of like loose. This plain pink one, this one's also kind of loose and it's just very thin creamish pink color. Very, very soft though. I have this long sleeve that's striped. I think this is a very nice fall combo. It's kind of like a bunch of shades of blue, black, and then a little bit of burgundy. It's just ribbed, very thick, nice material, soft, comfy, all of that. I also have this wrap top. It kind of looks like a pirate top. I think this would look really nice for something kind of like semi-formal, you know what I'm saying? I also have this sweater which is perfect for fall. It's a little bit formal, kind of reminds me like if you're going to get a cup of tea or something. It's very, very thick. It's also cropped and it's kind of like a, not a high neck, it's like a scoop neck, that's what it's called. I also have this long sleeve that has a hood, but it's like a thin material and it's the waffle kind of thing. Very like rough cuts kind of. I also have this long sleeve Henley, which is kind of like a thicker sweater material. It's so soft and comfy. I absolutely love this. I have a bunch of these tops. They're all like the same shape. They're just the ones with the little scrunchy thing. They have a name. I have no clue what the name is. With them, it looks really good and it looks good with a bralette too. It looks really good on people who have boobs. I don't have boobs, but you know, I still wear it and
It's fine.
oh my gosh, this is a little bit embarrassing. So I have it in white. I have it in that blue shade with little tiny white flowers. I have it black with polka dots, and those are for the t-shirts. And then I have the long sleeve version of it in the dark green, in black. Looks kind of formal, you know? Then I have a couple like graphic tees. I have this one that I just got, and it's like a lavender purple and it says West Coast and it has a cool car on it. I have a black one that just says Los Angeles, and I remember the first time I saw this I thought it was so ugly, and then it just really, really grew on me. I have this plain white one that just has 3 stripes across it. It gives me school vibes as well. Then I have this one that's gray and it's embroidered and it just says Seattle. My friends made fun of me for getting this because they were like, why would you get something that says Seattle and wear it around Seattle? That's touristy, but I thought that was kind of normal. I guess not. And then I'm kind of stupid, so I literally bought another one, but it's different, okay? This one's white. It is a long sleeve. It's freaking huge. My guy friends fit this better than if it's me. I really like big stuff. It literally takes up the whole screen. And then I have this one. It's that freaking blue shade again, and then it has cute little flowers embroidered across the top. Almost done. So this is the last of my tops and everything from my Brandy collection.
Thank goodness.
This is my favorite top shape from Brandy. I know I said that about multiple of them, but I think this is actually my favorite. 2 favorites, my bad. This one is like the crop top. I have it in gray and white as well, but it's just cropped and it has a nice little crossover, and it looks very nice with a bralette, layered necklaces. It makes your boobs look very nice, very flattering. In white right here, it's just like a button up little thingy, and then it has a very nice scoop neck, and I didn't think these would look good on me, and like I don't want to say like,
Oh my god, that looks good on me.
but like I really like how they look just in general. That didn't really make sense. They're really cute. This is a nice purple shade. I also have it in this blue floral. It's in white, and this one's ribbed and it has ruffles, also a long sleeve. This one is also like kind of a thick material, so it's like a thick ribbed sweater button-up thing. Perfect for fall.
Oh my.
I am very, very tired from just filming that, and now I have to try all of this on, and then I have to hang all of it back up and put it in my closet. What a productive day. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up because this took
So long.
to do. But you know, it's fine. If you guys enjoyed it, let me know. Let me know if you want to see other collection videos. If you want to see how I style all of my very, very basic clothes, follow me on Instagram where I post my outfits. I hope that you guys enjoyed this haul, and thank you. I really said haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this collection video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.